Welcome back to our 2023 Cape Coral and Southwest Florida new construction Find Home Tour number 3. This beautiful home, it's brought to you by DMI Home Builders. This is their Punta Gorda Isles floor plan. It has 2,423 square feet under living, 3 bedrooms, 3 bath, pool, and a lot of nice things that you're gonna see. Hello everyone, I'm back. You kind of missed me. I kind of didn't do a video for a while. I was helping my wife with a couple of you guys that came over this January and February, so that's why I was out. So now I'm gonna show you this beautiful Punta Gorda Isles. It's very nice. He has a lot of things that really people like, so let's go and get to it. Over here you could see on the left there you have a den. This is a beautiful entrance, glass door. Check out the bar door for the entrance of the den. And as you can see, this home is spectacular. You got your sliders that they all hide behind the wall, and everything opens up, so that's very nice. The colors, the decoration of this floor plan is just beautiful. Okay, it has a lot of details. Wait until you see the pantry. It's kind of wild. Over here is the space for your dining room. Plenty of space with a nice window to look out to the pool, and this beautiful solid top kitchen cabinets. They're very nice. If you see, you got, this is what right now some of the builders are doing. They're doing an island in the middle, and you got your sink with your chairs in front on the other side, so you have a working station in the middle of the kitchen. So this is that for that kitchen, for that person that really loves to cook and wants the space to work. This is the kitchen for them. And right here, this is their stove. I think they also have the option of you getting it gas stove, so if you're a real cook, that's probably what you will like. Here are your 2 ovens. And here we're heading into the laundry room. As you can see, you got a sink with cabinets and the hookup for your washer and dryer. And check out this huge 3-car garage. Right now it's being used as an office, but check out the size of that garage. Remember, if you're watching this video and you would like to know more information about this floor plan and this builder, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. We would love to hear from you, and then that way we can actually tell you the current price that this home are starting at. Okay, so you know, if you are a previous subscriber or watch my videos, I don't tend to tell the prices on new construction. Due to that, they tend to change a lot, and we like to give you accurate information. Check out the pantry. Check this out. It's hidden right behind the kitchen. Let me close the doors here so you can see how it looks with the doors closed. You will never know that all that space is back there. Look at that, just look like a normal kitchen. Like I was saying, I don't tend to put the prices on new construction because this video could be here for 4 or 5 years. Like I got a video that's 2 years ago and I still get calls. And if I would have put the price back 2 years ago, they would have been amazed of, you know, how inexpensive the house was. So just give us a call. It's for us, it's no bother. Just give us a call, and we'll get you the starting price for this home, you know, at the time that you call, at the time that you watch the video. So one of the things I'm trying to do with these types of videos is trying to show you what builders in Southwest Florida and Cape Coral has to offer. So if you're thinking about building a custom home, just feel free to contact us. That way you tell us what your wants and needs, and we'll try to find the right builder to fit your needs, okay? Because there's a lot of builders out there, and what we try to do is try to show you their product, and if you like what you see, you give us a call and we can set you up with them, okay? And that way when you come here, you only look at one builder. You might look at 4 or 5 builders that we think that's the right for you, okay? So that's a service that we offer for people that are coming down and building their new construction, their home, their dream home. Okay, so now let's take a look at let's take a bedroom number 1 here. You have your closet on the back, and one of the nice things about this home here, it's like, for instance, this one has its own bathroom. So you have, this could be like a suite, okay? This room here has its own bathroom. And check out how beautiful it is. This builder really detailed and really has nice combinations of colors. And this home offers what, you know, most what everybody wants. So it's, like I said before, it's on the air, has 2,423 square feet. So you get what you get on this house, probably you might get in a bigger house. For instance, this has 3 bathrooms. So here, take a look at this one here. You have a room over here, and then over here to the left, you got a pocket door that leads you to this bathroom. And this bathroom also leads you to the pool. So that's pretty cool. And this room back here, it's really nice. Let me turn around here so you can see. It has a double door facing the pool. Nice size closet. And now let me show you the doors. Now, over here, check out the sliders. Like I said before, these sliders, they open up completely. So the outside becomes the inside. So it's very nice. It's something very typical for Southwest Florida, for Cape Coral, during the winter months, that you mostly have all your doors open and you don't worry about the heat. And now here we're coming into the main suite. Check it out. You have your sliding doors that lead to the pool. We got windows on both sides of the bed to add some extra light inside the room. Tell me what you think about this home. I would like to hear from you. And now, one of the things I like is how detailed and finished this home are. Check out the closets. Completely equipped to put all your clothing here. Has drawers, places to hang the clothes, shelves to put your shoes. Very nice and complete. And now, the master bathroom. You have this beautiful shower with 2 heads. So here you have a closet and your toilet closet. Beautiful. I really like this this floor plan. Check out the closets again. Okay, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna head out over to the pool. Let me show you a little bit more. Let's go to the pool. This pool is very nice. Let's go outside and take a look at it. Here we go. As you can see, there's plenty of space on the truss here. The pool is all surrounded by pavers, and it has a lot of small details, like you see the waterfalls on both of those columns, and also you have your jacuzzis and those 2 chairs over there in their little island. We'll get to that. Let's start first over here. I just want to let you know that I have 2 more homes from my Cape Coral and Southwest Florida Fine Homes Tour that I'll be putting down on the description below. So if you have a chance, go in the description below and check them out. They're very nice as this one. So something else to look at. So if you like what you see, you're planning to move over here to Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers area, you can feel free to hit the subscribe button. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. My wife and I have been doing real estate in Southwest Florida for over 20 years, so we can help you out. If you're looking for a lot, we can help you out with that. And we also have builders that have some spec homes, some homes that are being built that you don't have to wait 1.5 to 2 years for your home. So that's benefits when you find a spec home that you like the layout. So if you would like more information about that, feel free to contact us, okay? Well, I hope you enjoy this beautiful home. And I'm going to leave you with this beautiful view of the 2 cascades in the middle of the pool. Have a good one. See you in the next video.